welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government backtracks on entry fee to go on vehicles after public outburst, decides to issue fresh notification. Sudin says notification erroneous. Kavre locals meet Mines director and CM dissatisfied with both. Kavrekars contemplate legal battle. Daboli required for 14 hours during tourist season. Airport authority writes to Navy after decision to operate airport only for 8 hours due to runway repairs. Daylight robberies at Banauli Church and Kakoda. Masked couple strikes church. Avirtan Kaitu demand government's control over use of scarves. And CCP receives JNNRUM funds and a deadline to complete Santanes Nala and solid waste management project. Mayor blames past mayors for failures. Now news in detail. Government has finally cancelled its plan to introduce entry fee for go-on vehicles after resistance from people. As a face saver, government has said that entry fee notification has some errors and a new notification will be issued. PWD Minister Sudin Dhawarkar has confirmed that exempted vehicles from neighbouring states carrying vegetables and goods to Goa will be charged entry fee from this month. Government is devising special pass system for these vehicles.
PWD has begun a process to charge entry fee to go-on vehicles along with vehicles entering Goa from outside states. A notification expressing this intention was also issued, and PWD Minister was also vocal about it to know the public response. But after observing the public and political outbursts over entry fee issue across the state, especially on social networking websites, government went a step back and withdrew the notification on Tuesday. Prudent has highlighted the issue on Monday. NCP also demanded a rollback of the notification.
Take strong objection to a notification that is being issued by the PWD. Does not exempt vehicles that were earlier exempted which were registered in Goa for the toll. Sarkaran utar dilele ki goinkaran ami tax culture. Withdraw this notification and let that 10 January, which was also opposed by us, then let that continue as it is.
After seeing that the move might backfire, PWD Minister Sudin Dhawarkar did a face-saving act. He said notification had some lacunas. Once they are rectified, a new will be issued.
फायर पुट अप करपा लायल्या गोयच्या गाडयो तातून ना इतले आता काढून उडयले समस्त गोयच्या असं झाले सुद्धा काढून उडयले यू वोंट बी इन फेवर ऑफ दैट यू आर नॉट इन फेवर नोबडी इज इन फेवर ऑफ नॉट मी नोबडी ना गोयच्या गाडयो लावला तो पहिले नोटिफिकेशन मदीच्या आता हे आशिल्ले न्ही मदी जो पळय आमचो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट चल्लो तेन्ना ती फायल पासिंगा गेली आसता चुकून गेले गोयच्यान मिसप्रिंट गेला हांव पळोवूंकूच ना जालें म्हाजे म्हायती प्रमाणे गोयच्यो गाडयो तातूंत ना नोटिफिकेशन मिसप्रिंट.
But Dhawarkar has confirmed that goods vehicle from neighbouring states which were exempted from entry fee will be charged from this month onwards. Government might introduce pass system to such goods vehicle to soften their opposition.
All other vehicles, those who are left out from nearby states,
which were given,
which Karwar, then your Belgaum, or say Sindhudurg area, Kolhapur area. तांकां सगळे घेतले जांकां कोणा डेली येवपाचें आसा let them take the passes, monthly passes.
But with discount and all.
Of course, discount and all.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has not accepted the demand of Kavre villagers to recount the ore at Kavre mine. Agitated villagers met the CM on Tuesday in Panji. Villagers say if their demands are not met, they will report these illegalities to the Supreme Court. Villagers say Chief Minister is diverting core issue of illegal ore stacked at Kavre. Chief Minister says ore transportation will continue. Villagers earlier met the mines director, but the reply was indifferent.
On the Tuesday morning, villagers and AAP activists met Mines Director Prasanna Acharya as ore transporter has not hired their trucks for ore transportation. Over 80 to 100 people from Kavre marched on to Panji on Tuesday, claiming ore transportation a big scam. Villagers are blaming Sangye MLA for this fiasco. Villagers say some 3 lakh tons of ore is illegally stacked at the site. However, Mines Director Prasanna Acharya made it clear to the villagers that the department is monitoring enforcement of Supreme Court guidelines, but made it clear that the ore bidder is hiring the trucks and the department has no role to play.
Estimated extracted iron ore केल्ला आसा पळय ना एस्टिमेट केल्लो आसा तो त्या प्रमाण ना कित्याक आमच्या वर्कर्सा प्रमाणे ते एक डंप असो आसा की जो आयर्न ओर पूण तेजेर उतल्यान रिजेक्शन जावन तो डंप म्हणून दाखोवन दिल्लो आसा. आमी डायरेक्टराक सांगलें की चल आमी आत्ता या आमी तुमकां सांगता आमी त्या गांवचे विलेजर्स आमी तुमकां दाखोवन दिता की बाबा पळय हांगा आयर्न ओर निलपोवन दवरलो आसा. तेन्ना डायरेक्टर म्हणटा की तुमी आमचे कडेन जे कितें हें आसा तें तुमी आमचे कडेन पावया आमी करता आपूण कन्सर्न मनशा हें करून आमी त्यो क्लॅरिफाय करून घेता पूण तो पर्यंत जो ट्रान्सपोर्ट जो चालू आसा पळय न्हू तो बरोवन मेकळे जातले. आमकां एकूय आमच्या क्वेश्चनाचेर रायट आन्सर मेळ्ळें ना.
इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू mix dump or subgrade ore along with the auctioned ore because every ton is measured on weigh bridges which are manned by the department's representative and representative of bidder and the previous leaseholder as they have some rights over the consideration. आज पर्यंत ह्या डिपार्टमेंटान खंयचोच ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर अपॉइंट केल्लो ना आनी तो म्हाल व्हरपाची संपूर्ण जबाबदारी ती रिस्पेक्टीव बिडराची आसा.
As there wasn't satisfactory reply from the mines director, Kavre villagers met Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar at his official residence at Altino on Tuesday evening.
पूण जेन्ना आमी सायट इन्स्पेक्शन केलें तेन्ना आमी ज्यो एक्चुअल इलिगॅलिटीज आमकां कळोवन चुकल्यो की थिंगा जो 2.73 ओर एक्सट्रॅक्टेड ओर आसा अशें डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्स म्हणटा तो एक्झॅक्ट क्वॉन्टिटी ना पूण आसा थंय मोर दॅन दॅट. CM म्हणटा कितें बरें आसा म्हणटा तो 2.73 आज तो आपण ऑप्शन करतलो पूण तेजे भायर जर उरता तो गव्हर्मेंटाची प्रॉपर्टी न्हू गो म्हणटा ते म्हणटा आपूण पळयता. आमकां जे डायरेक्टरान सांगलें पळय न्हू ते आमकां सारकें सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी आमकां तो आन्सर दिवपाक शकलो ना आमी तेजेर सॅटिस्फाय ना. आनी आतां CM जेन्ना आमी CMा कडेन उलोवपाक गेले तेन्ना CM टॉपीक डायवर्ट करपाक पळयता. रिमेजरमेंट डिमांड केला पूण CM सांगता की ते रिमेजरमेंट करपाची गरज ना. जसो ओर वयतलो पळय न्हू तसो आपण नोट करतलो आनी जो उरता तो आपल्या ताब्यान घेतलो. CM जर आमचें कांय आयकून घेना जाल्यार हें जें कितें आमचें आसा पळय न्हू जावं हे फायंडिंग्स जें आसा तें आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक पावयतले. आतां CM एग्री जाता तो म्हणटा तुमचे ट्रकय घेवया तुमकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिवया प्लस तुमचे गांवचे जें कितें डेव्हलपमेंट आसा तेंय बी करया पूण हेजेर कांय उलोवपाक रेडी ना.
On Tuesday, Parrikar made it clear to Kavrekars that the ore transportation will continue. If there is any illegal ore at the site, it will be in the government's custody. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Navy has decided to keep Daboli Airport operational only for 8 hours every day during next tourist season. Navy wants to undertake recarpeting work of the runway. This can adversely affect Goa's tourist season as Navy wants to complete the work during September to February. Airport authorities have requested the naval authorities to allow flight operational for 12 to 14 hours instead of 8 hours. They are waiting reply from the Navy.
It can have a devastating impact on tourism in Goa if the decision to curtail flight operations at Daboli runway is stamped and sealed to pave a way for the recarpeting of runway. Navy wants to keep the airport operational for hours every day during peak tourist season. Now Airport Authority has asked for 12 to 14 hours of flight operations instead of 8 hours from September to February.
So we are requested, instead of 8 hours, we requested the naval authorities to increase to 12 to 14 hours. Now we are waiting the reply from the naval authorities. Naval authority, we have discussed these issues, but the runway recarpeting work cannot be carried out during the monsoon period. It can be done only good sunlight period only. So coming 5.5 months we cannot able to, like Navy cannot able to carry out any runway carpeting work.
Director informed that taxi parking will come up within 2 months at Daboli Airport. He said new airlines are expected to operate their chartered flights this season. He is hopeful that their talks with the Navy will yield positive results.
Domestic section will be demolished. International will be given to the AirAsia operation. If it is okay, then BCS will give the clearance. Another 1 or 2 months, the car parking will be put in for operation. There is new airlines are trying to come, like Air Costa, AirAsia are planning to operate at Goa Airport. Coming days will have the more operations, and tourist visa and arrival facility also will be introduced. It will attract more chartered flights and passengers towards Goa. This coming season will have the good passenger movements.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.